Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TranscribeMe for audio transcription income, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the TranscribeMe website. Look for the join or sign up button on the homepage. Click on the button to start the registration process. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email, and password. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions. After completing the form, submit your application. Check your email for a confirmation message from TranscribeMe. Follow the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your TranscribeMe account. Navigate to the transcription section on your dashboard. Take the time to review the guidelines and requirements provided. Prepare for the transcription test by selecting a sample audio file. Listen carefully to the audio while following along with the provided transcription template. Complete the transcription test to the best of your ability. Submit your test for review, and wait for feedback from the TranscribeMe team. Once your test is approved, you will gain access to available transcription jobs. Browse through the listed audio files and select the projects that interest you. Start working on your chosen transcription tasks within the specified time frame. Ensure you adhere to the quality guidelines throughout your transcription work. Submit your completed transcription for review once you are finished. Monitor your earnings and track your progress through the TranscribeMe dashboard. Request payment through the designated payment method once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Continue to take on new projects to grow your income over time. Engage with the TranscribeMe community for support and tips on improving your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.